In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video editor portfolio in Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional way to showcase your work right on your Linktree, so anyone who clicks your bio can watch your videos without digging around. First, head to your Linktree admin and open the links section on the left. This is the hub where you manage everything your audience sees. Keep an eye on the live preview on the right as you work. It updates instantly and helps you spot issues before anyone else does. Next, click Add to create something new. You'll see options for different link types. Choose YouTube. This format lets your videos appear as a polished card, often pulling in the thumbnail and title automatically once you paste a valid URL, which makes your portfolio feel more like a gallery than a list of plain links. Now, give your link a strong, clear title. Think about what a potential client needs to know at a glance. Include the project name or format, plus your role and a skill highlight. Keep it concise so it doesn't get cut off on mobile. For example, product launch ad, editor, color pass, or music video montage, story cut. The title is your hook, so make it count. Open your YouTube video in a new tab, copy the video's URL, then return to Linktree and paste it into the URL field. Use the standard watch link or a share link. Both work. Double check that the video is public or unlisted so viewers won't hit a permissions wall. If your video has chapters or a specific highlight, you can include a timestamp in the URL to start playback at the moment that best represents your editing. With the link in place, open link settings. Here you can fine-tune how people interact with your portfolio entry. Consider toggling the thumbnail display to make the card more visual, adding a relevant icon for quick recognition, or turning on scheduling if you want the link to go live at a specific time. If there's a priority or spotlight option, enable it for your best piece so it stands out immediately. Finally, adjust your layout. Pick a link style that matches your brand, keep colors and fonts consistent with your reel, and ensure the card is easy to read on mobile. Aim for a clean, scannable look that draws focus to the video, thumbnail, and title. That's it. You've created a polished video editor portfolio entry in Linktree that's clear, clickable, and ready to share.